North American Plywood presents Manufacturing 101, CNC Machining. CNC machining at North American Plywood consists of two processes. CNC sawing to make panels of various lengths and widths, and CNC routing to make shapes, holes, and intricate cuts. The acronym CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which means that the movements of the machine are determined by specific input instructions called G-code. G-code is a computer programming language where X, Y, and Z coordinates plot the location of a tool in relation to the panel it will be cutting. First up are our CNC saws, which we use to turn this into this. First, the parts list is entered into the system. Then it is optimized for grain pattern if necessary, after which the program is sent to the saws to be cut. On our two saws, North American Plywood cuts roughly 750,000 square feet of plywood a year. North American Plywood's 5 4-axis CNC routers are where the more complex operations happen. This is where we can make curves, as well as holes, grooves, and recesses for more complex components. Clients provide us with technical drawings that include dimensions and parameters for producing a part. In some cases, a part has to be drawn or redrawn in a CAD program. From there, it is sent to the router to be tested before the production run. Once approved, the program is greenlit for production. All parts are then checked and double-checked to verify that they are within spec tolerances before packaging and shipping. And that concludes CNC Machining at North American Plywood Corporation, part of our Manufacturing 101 series. Thanks for watching, and visit us at www.napoli.com.